Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. Before I get into this unboxing, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So what I have here today is some protective cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and some tempered glass screen protectors I got from Amazon. Alright, so we're gonna unbox these, see what we have inside here. Alright, so first off, let's open this one. I think this one has the case, so let's go ahead and open it. Alright, and this, put this package aside. Alright, so this here, as you can see, it's two cases in this package here. So this was a great deal, guys. This was $3.99 on Amazon when I ordered this. These are transparent cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, and we do have two cases inside here. It's a 2-pack for $3.99. You can't beat that. So we're gonna open this, see what we have inside here. Alright, we got a little bit of tape. Let me rip the tape off. Here we go. So here we have here is two cases, as you can see, and they're transparent. We're gonna go ahead and just open one right here, see what it looks like. And it does feel really good, guys. The quality on this case might be cheap, but it's good. Let's open this, and here we have it. This is the case, transparent case, and as I said before, this is $3.99 on Amazon for the 2-pack. Alright, so I have a spare one right here that's left. Alright, so I'm gonna put that on the phone, see what it looks like. Here we go. Let's snap this on. This is what it looks like with the blue iPhone. Looks really nice and shiny, and you can see the color of the phone pops right through. Looks really nice. Alright, so that's the case. Feels really solid on the phone. Corners feels like they're well protected. As you can see, this has a little groove inside the corners here, just probably for shock absorption if this falls on the edges. And you have it at all corners right here. Speaker grills are cut out right here at the bottom, and the charging port. Alright, you got the silent button right here, that's cut out really nice. You can reach it really easy inside there. We have a volume rocker right here on the side, that's on the case, and your power button on the right, and everything lines up really well. This covers the antenna band right here on the side, as you can see, for the 5G, and the SIM tray is here on the left. You can see through the cases, so these are not open, they're pretty much protected. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what else we have here in this package. This should be the screen protector, and this is a 4-pack. So let's get this paper out of the way. Alright, and this, as you can see right here, it's 4-pack clear, and this is a LK brand. And for the cases, before I move on to opening the screen protectors, I'm gonna link these in the description, just in case you're interested and want to go ahead and purchase this. Alright, so I'm gonna link this in the description just in case. And this is the LK brand tempered glass screen protector, as you can see, premium tempered glass protector, and this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max 4-pack. Not much of these. It's not very often that you see a 4-pack tempered glass screen protector on Amazon, and this was very cheap as well, guys. This was $6.99 for the 4-pack. So let's go ahead and open this. Alright, get this plastic out of the way. And here it is. Open this box. Sorry guys, that's the usual my daughter in the back making noise again. So it does come with a template that you pretty much use to get this screen protector installed really accurately and smoothly. So here's the protector, and let's see what else we got inside. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 screen protectors got for $6.99. Really good deal. And these are tempered glass screen protectors. We have the cleaning cloth and some alcohol prep pad inside as well, as you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead right here and install one of these screen protectors. Hopefully we get it right the first time. So I'm gonna take the case off the phone. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down, see if I could get one of these on. Really nice and clean the first time. So here's the alcohol wipes. You do get a microfiber cloth as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this phone screen right here. Has a few dust and fingerprint marks in here, so let's go ahead and wipe this off. And then we're gonna dry this off with the microfiber cloth right here. So I fold this one side, pretty much dries it up, and then the other wipes off any little dust or watermarks that are there. So let's go ahead, dry this off, and then I'm gonna buffer it with the dry side. And there you see, glass looks pretty clean right there, as you can see my reflection inside that glass right there. So let's go ahead and apply one of these. Alright, let me grab the template right here. Make sure there's no dust marks or nothing on here. Alright, sit it down there. Alright, so this says up, so this is the top part right here. Flip this over the screen and try to line this up as best as we can. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the sticker off and take my time and line this up neatly on the glass. Make sure it lines up straight inside here. So let's get it straight inside, make it line up, and there we go. I think we got it, guys. Just let all those things spread out by themselves. These ear bubbles right here, I'm gonna allow these to spread out by themselves, and then I'll just finish off with a squeegee or something. Alright, there we go. Let's pop this off, and then we're gonna push all these bubbles out of here. So looks good so far. They just finished getting all those bubbles out of there, and there we go. Just get out all the dust and everything from here. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this off with the cloth. Not bad, as you can see. Not bad. Alright, so I have the link. I'm gonna link these in the description as well, so just in case you want to pick these up, you can pick these up for yourselves. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Alright, thank you for watching again. Peace.